In this video, I'm going to show you a Zoho Books tutorial for beginners. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Zoho Books website. So if you're unfamiliar with the website, you might just want to go to Google and search for Zoho Books and just simply click on the first link. So it should look like this. So now from here, you can just simply click on sign up or sign in right there in the top right. So in my case, I am already signed in. So after creating your account or signing into your account, this is the dashboard of your Zoho Books. So from here, you'll see a bunch of different features right here in the left-hand side, which is home, items, banking, sales, purchases, time tracking, accountant, reports, documents, and configure feature list. Now, first, let's head over here in our home. So in our home, we're able to see our default dashboards. So from here, we will see our total receivables, total payables, our cash flow. Here in the bottom, we'll see our income and expense, top expenses, projects, banks, and credit cards, and account watch list. So basically here in your default dashboard, you'll see everything there is to you with your account. So just right here. Now here in getting started, they will have instructions on how to get you up and running with your account. So it's either you can simply just proceed on these steps to get your account running. Also, we have the announcements right here and the recent updates of the Zoho Books website. Now let's head over to the items. Now from here, you should see your goods and services. As you can see, goods and services, if they have a price tag, put them here. So what we want to do first is add an item. So you can just simply click on the plus icon right here beside the item, or here in the item menu or page, just click on new right here in the top right. So let's click on new. Now you'll need to choose whether the type of item is goods or service. So let's say mine is goods. So let's just put in a test right here. Now unit. So you can select whether it's a box, centimeters, feet, grams, like that. So let's say I'm going to add in grams. Now you need to put in your selling price. So you can also, this is the currency that I have set for my account. So of course you can simply change that in your settings if you want to. So let's say I'm just going to add like that. And account, so all sales transaction for this item will be tracked under this account. So you want to change, choose the account right here. So I'm going to choose sales and the purchase information. Again, let's just put it right there. Count cost of goods sold. So of course you can choose any of the options right here. Now you can either add a description, you can add a tax, and you can select the preferred vendor. So I think this is about it. So I'm just going to save this item right now. And as you can see, the item has been added to our items list right here. Now the next thing that we want to do is go here to banking. So from here, you can simply connect your bank or credit card or simply add manually. So right here, you can add it manually. So if you choose connect bank or credit card, you can choose from all of the supported payment method right here. Now let's head over to sales. And as you can see, there are a bunch of different menu right here in sales versus customers. So of course, we need to create a new customer. So you can either click here to import customers from file. So you can simply drag and drop your CSV files right here, or simply create a new customer manually. So right here, let's say it's an individual, say Mr. Let's say John Smith, company name, NA. Let's just say it like that. Customer display name, Mr. John Smith. that, and add the email. So let's just say John Smith, say it like that. Also, you can add the customer phone right here. You can add his other details. You can add the address, contact person, custom fields, reporting tags, remarks. So from here, we're done. So let's just click on save. And as you can see, our first customer has been created. And you'll see a help right here. What's next? So you can create an invoice or a code and send it to your customer. So you can do that to all of your customers. So just simply add your customers right here. And there are a bunch of different options that you can do to interact with your customers. What's good about the CRM in this website is you'll see all of their receivables, their total income, all of that. You'll see their outstanding receivables, their unused credits. And so let's move on to the codes. As you can see right here, you can create a new code. So you can give your customers an offer they can refuse, on like that. Let's go to invoices. Again, you can choose to create a new invoice right here or create a new recurring invoice. So when you create an invoice, this is the transaction preferences for your invoice. So we won't be doing that right now. Now let's go to sales receipt. As you can see, you can also send professional sales receipt instantly. So you just need to create receipts right here and send it to your customers. And you can also see the payments received right here. So you can go to unpaid invoices. So if there are any unpaid invoices, you'll see it right here. Now it's your recurring invoice. You can also create a new one or import recurring invoices. And also go to credit notes right here and create one. So as you can see, these are all of the sales feature of Zoho Books. Now let's head over to purchases. So you'll see a bunch of different menus right here too. So you'll see vendors. Again, in sales, we created new customers. Again, in purchases, we can create new vendors. As you can see, it's just the same as how we created our customer. And again, we have the expenses right here, recurring expenses, bills, payments made, recurring bills, and vendor credits. So as you there are slight differences only for sales and purchases. So for sales, it's customers, and purchases, it's vendors. Now let's go to time tracking. So right here, you can create your first project and keep track of time you spend on this specific projects. Also, you can create time sheets right here. So log the time spent on project tasks and charge your customers accordingly. We also have this accountant menu right here to add manual journals, bulk updates, currency adjustment, chart of accounts, budgets, and transaction locking. And the reports, of course, is right here. So you'll see your profit and loss reports, cash flow statements, all of these reports in one menu. And the documents, so of course, the documents, your bank statements are right here, your files right here, and the folders, you can create new folders, and so on. So those are the basic features of Zoho Books. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.